Go back and forth, just like painting.
Oh no.
Okay, do the oil pan. Back and forth, all the way across. All the way. You're just doing one spot. Okay, let go. Let's go to the other side. Put it in your cup holder.
That way we're gonna go with the oil pan too.
I didn't hear you.
I gotta go underneath the oil pan too.
Okay. Can you get to it from there, or do you need to pull into your cabinet more and turn?
That makes me mad.
What?
I got some in the engine, which is bad.
Oh, well, do you have to block something?